we next saw some geese. These geese were swimming around. Actually, it's not geese, it's goose. A singular goose was just swimming in the water. And over here are some very interesting white parrots. They are an intriguing feature to the big barn. Over here, you can see a Malga breed of cow. Oh, and on the other side, buffaloes. We didn't spend a long time here, and on our way to the next destination, we saw a few cats outside one's residence. It was brilliant. Then the fish feeding activity began. Over here, you can see Japanese koi. And when the guide had thrown food, and that is when they started to appear all around and near the food. It was a nice experience. Even I fed food to the fish, and they loved it, taking in all the food. You can see that fish are pretty hungry creatures, and when they want to eat, they eat quick. I had only seen such quick eating by any animal before with my fish at home. You can see the beautiful nature of these fish. Hey, do you want a spider walking across? The giant wood spider, which is not venomous, is definitely a good spider for you to hold. And just as we came back, hummingbirds and parrot, it were just flying around in the tree. It was a beautiful sighting.
So, hope you enjoyed this adventure to the Barn Nature Camp. We really loved it, and we're definitely going to come here again. So, it's not too far from our house also. So yeah, we'll see you in our next adventure. Bye.